Hello everyone, this is Josh with Premier Paver Sealing. I wanted to show you an after video of this project. In a previous video I showed you how dirty the brake were and all of the weeds and algae and mold that were growing. So here's a good comparison. Everything has been chemically cleaned, surface cleaned, and rinsed, sanded, sealed. The typical process, but just wanted to show how nice this project turned out. There are no more weeds, no more black carpet on the brick. So do a quick walk around here. So anyway, really turned out nice. All right, well, thanks for watching, checking out the video. All right, talk to y'all later. Bye.